I could really use some sweet tea right now.
I'm glad you're thirsty.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. Anyone that loves me knows I love sweet tea.
Anyone that loves me?
Anyone that loves me. You know, a lot of people they just don't love me. Anyone that loves me knows.
Anyone who knows me.
You're fucking me up, okay? Anyone that knows me knows I love sweet tea, and I would call myself a sweet tea enthusiast. So today we got 6 different sweet teas from 6 different locations, them being McDonald's, Zaxbys, Chic-fil-a, Taco Bell, Culvers, and Wendys. Personally, I think I'm gonna do really good because I get sweet tea everywhere I go. It may be like a southern thing, I'm not southern, but technically I am because I live in Florida. Whatever the point is, I think I'm gonna kill it. Besides guessing what sweet tea I'm gonna be drinking today, I will also rate them 1 through 6, and maybe one I like more than the other, who knows? So, let's get started. So, Shirley, she's behind the camera right now, you can't really see her, but she put all of the different sweet teas in different cups with numbers 1 through 6. So, that's how I will know how to rank them, I guess. Okay, so now that the cups are up, I am ready. Okay, I'm so excited actually, because I don't have a notepad nearby. I'm gonna write my ratings on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm so ready. The first one. It was sweet, but coldish at the same time. Like, dang, it had like a icy taste to it almost. Stop giving me a look like that. Okay. Okay. So I want to say the first one is Zaxbys. Number 2. Oh. That's not sweet at all. I'm gonna give that one to either Chick-fil-A or Taco Bell. I've tried Chick-fil-A sweet tea and it's never usually like that sweet, so I think number 2 is Chick-fil-A, but we'll find out. That has to be McDonald's. Okay, that one has to be McDonald's. Damn, that one's sweet too. Dang, I take it back. This is actually really hard. I'm gonna give it Wendys maybe. Chick-fil-A. That was not sweet. This one's like mid-sweet, but not. What's my last option? Culvers. This is so much harder than I thought it was. Damn. But I know my McDonald's. I know my McDonald's. My McDonald's is number 3. I'm trying to get a reaction out of you and try to look over at you to see if I'm right.
You think I memorized it? I wrote it down on the list for a reason. I wasn't gonna know.
Dang. Okay. So far 3 is the sweetest, and I'm gonna have to give that rank as number 1. And I want to say number 3 is McDonald's. I'm locking that one in. Okay, number 4 is definitely Chick-fil-A. Locking that one in. Also, I'm giving Chick-fil-A a 6 because that is whack. Get a frosted coffee, it's better. Yeah, okay, I got this. everything's tasting the same almost right now. Okay. Yeah. No, that's definitely McDonald's. Okay, so I'm between 5 and 1. If there's Zaxbys or Wendys, freak. Okay, so whichever one is the sweetest, I'm gonna have to give it to Zaxbys because I know Wendys doesn't really make it that sweet. Okay, it's between Taco Bell and Culvers. Is Culvers a southern thing? Or is Culvers like all over the world? Okay, so it has to be not that sweet. Because up north, they do not have sweet tea like that. They have iced tea a lot. Okay, so it's between Taco Bell and Culvers. And I did not rank number 2 or number 6. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give number 6 to Taco Bell. That has to be Taco Bell. And Culver's is gonna be number 2. I'm gonna move this out the way. It's dangerous. Okay, so my guesses are number 1 was Zaxby's. Number 2 was Culver's. Number 3 was McDonald's. Number 4 was Chick-fil-a. Number 5 was Wendys. And number 6 was Taco Bell. I'm hoping at least I get McDonald's right because that's all that matters, honestly, but we'll see. How many did I get right? Do you want to say it out loud for the camera?
You got 1 right. 1 right.
It better be McDonald's because if it's not,
You only got Chick-fil-A right.
are you kidding me? Do you want to hear how I rank them? I'm like devastated right now, Shirley, and you're over here calm. Okay. I'm so defeated. You ready? So my guesses were number 1, which was Zaxby's, was actually McDonald's. Number 2, which I thought was Taco Bell, was actually Zaxby's. Number 3, which is McDonald's, ended up being Taco Bell. Number 4, which I thought was Chick-fil-A, was Chick-fil-A. Number 5, which is Wendys, is actually Culver's. And the last one, which I thought was Culver's, was actually Wendys.
And also your ratings.
And this was my ratings. I don't want to say my ratings now. I'm embarrassed. Okay, now to my ratings. I'm gonna start from my least favorite to my favorite, and I ranked them based on not knowing what they were. My least favorite, coming in number 6, was Chick-fil-A, which I had right. Still don't like Chick-fil-A sweet tea, but not the point. Number 5, I have a Zaxbys, which honestly, I like Zaxbys a lot, so I'm really disappointed. Number 4, I have is Wendys, and you would think because I worked at Wendys, I know what Wendys sweet tea tastes like, but you know, that was disappointing too. And this was the most disappointing of all. Number 3, well, what I ranked as number 3 is actually McDonald's, and I love McDonald's so much. I get McDonald's all the time, so I'm so sad. My heart is like broken in half. Number 2, I have as Culvers. I like Culvers, and I have one next to my house, so I guess I'll be at Culvers a lot more now. And number 1, I have is Taco Bell. Are you kidding me? I also have a Taco Bell next to my house. And this whole entire time, I've been driving out of my way to go to McDonald's to get a sweet tea when I could have just been going to Taco Bell. So that's my ranking. Did I do great? No. that I think I was gonna get it, I should get my sweet tea title revoked. But I'm just gonna keep it and act like I have it, but yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.